Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the function and use of a gap cover. Gap cover is an additional short-term medical insurance that assists the patient with any difference not covered by medical aid. A monthly fee is charged in agreement with the terms of the contract between the patient and the authorized gap cover provider to assist in covering any medical procedures or consultation shortfalls. Let's go over the gap cover section. In today's video, we are starting on the debtor screen. For more information regarding the creation of a new debtor, please refer to the Create New Debtor user manual linked in this video's description. The user is able to use the search field to search for the desired debtor. The user only has to type in 3 letters to filter through the desired patients. The debtor's sidebar will open. Click on the Debtor Edit button. The Debtor Details screen will open. Navigate to the gap cover section found under the patient details. For more information regarding the patient details, please refer to the Add New Dependents user manual linked in this video's description. An explanation will be given of each gap cover field, which the user will need to complete the relevant information. The gap cover scheme is the name of the company with whom the patient has short-term insurance. The gap cover option is a plan which is associated with the type of gap cover the patient has. A patient's policy with a gap cover insurance firm is identified by a reference number called the gap cover policy number. Click on the Close button to exit without saving and to close the Debtor Details screen. Click on the Save button to save the changes that were made.